Hey there, NT5435 students. This is Dr. Buer. I wanted to send you this quick video to introduce you to the course and also to get in touch with you. There have been a couple of technical problems on the back end which have kept me from properly getting the course structured in Canvas. So I have not been able to turn it on and publish it like I had wanted to. So I wanted to go ahead and get you this information, and I apologize for it being a little bit late. I would have normally liked to have gotten this out a bit sooner, but we are where we are. So I wanted to get in touch with you and make sure you had this so that we could get started in earnest next week. So what I'm showing to you is the syllabus for the course. This is what you will see when you go to Canvas or when you go to Simple Syllabus. It simply explains the nature of the course, the objectives, the books, the requirements, etc. Just so you'll know, we're going to talk about this in full next week when we meet, but you can go ahead and review the assignments that you're going to be asked to do a method paper. You're going to be asked to do some theology papers on particular aspects of New Testament theology, and then you'll have a final exam in the class, which is a little bit unusual, but I think that's appropriate for this class, and you'll be able to see the weight on the grading. So basically the syllabus just covers everything that you need to know in terms of the structure of the class. But I've also attached a reading schedule. This is the schedule for the class. We no longer have to put schedules in our syllabi, so I wanted you to have this. And obviously, there's reading that's due the first week. I'm not expecting that you're going to do that reading by Wednesday. I'd love it if you could get some of it done. The main goal is to have this reading done in order to influence the method paper that's coming a little bit later. But basically, this schedule will show you the topic for the class day, the reading I want you to have done. You'll notice that there is PhD reading. That is not for you. That is for PhD students. There's going to be an even split between PhD students and THM students in this class, so you can ignore that reading. Obviously, I've just made it a single schedule because that's easier for me. But then also take a note that there's going to be certain due dates. For example, you have the method paper due on the 5th. There are going to be other due dates that we'll explain when we meet on Wednesday, and then your final exam will be due by the 7th. So I wanted you to have this so that you could go ahead and get started. Again, I'm sorry that it has taken a little bit longer to get this to you. I had meant to get this done sooner, but there were some problems in Canvas that were kind of inhibiting me, and I had to kind of do this separate route. But you can contact me at any point if you've got questions. I'll be very happy to answer them, and I look forward to working with you next week in the class. Take care, and God bless.